Could Samsung really be planning to take away one of the Galaxy Ultra's most unique features just to add a bigger battery? It might actually happen with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. For years, the S Pen has been something that made the Ultra model stand out from other phones. But according to new leaks, Samsung could be removing the built-in S Pen slot in its next Ultra device. And the reason behind it? More room for a larger battery. If we look back at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, one of the common complaints was about the battery. It had the same 5000 mAh battery that Samsung has been using in its Ultra models for quite a while now. Many users felt let down, especially when other brands started pushing higher capacities. Now it seems Samsung might be finally rethinking things. The space used for storing the S Pen could be removed to make space for a larger battery. And we're not just talking about a small upgrade. Some reports suggest that as Samsung switches to a newer silicon carbon battery design, the capacity could reach around 7000 mAh. To put that in perspective, some Chinese phone makers are already developing phones with 8000 mAh batteries using similar battery tech. So Samsung might be trying to keep up or even get ahead in that race. But of course, this would mean the built-in S Pen slot would be gone, which could upset some longtime Galaxy Note and Ultra fans. There's still a chance Samsung won't completely remove the S Pen. Instead, they might change how it connects to the phone. One possibility is a magnetic attachment on the outside, kind of like how Apple designed the Apple Pencil to connect to the iPad Pro. This would make the stylus easier to access, but it might also be easier to lose since it wouldn't be stored inside the phone anymore. Some users might find that change helpful, while others may prefer the classic built-in slot. But that's not the only possible change for the S26 Ultra. Another rumor suggests Samsung might shake up the camera system too. There could be a new variable aperture of the main rear camera, which would improve how the camera handles light in different situations. If true, Samsung might also remove one of the telephoto lenses to make extra room for that larger battery. In addition, leaked images hint that the Galaxy S26 Ultra might come with even thinner bezels than the S25 Ultra, giving it a more modern look. However, don't expect anything too drastic on the front camera. It's still likely to have a punch hole cutout instead of an under-display camera. On the performance side, Samsung is expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or what some are calling the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, for models sold in countries like the United States, Canada, and China. Other regions will probably get Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip, at least for the non-Ultra models. Both chips should deliver solid performance, especially with improved power efficiency and better AI features. If Samsung sticks to its usual launch schedule, we should see the Galaxy S26 series announced in January 2026 and released shortly after that. It's still a few months away, but these early leaks are already showing some interesting changes. Now, here's the question. Would you trade the built-in S Pen for a phone that lasts much longer on a single charge? Some people rely on the S Pen daily, while others barely use it. For many users, battery life is one of the most important things in a smartphone, so this change might actually make the Ultra more appealing to a wider group of people. Let us know what you would prefer, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.